Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Cost.
What does the dictionary say?
An amount that has to be paid or spent to buy or obtain something.
Math rap.
When you have to pay for a good or service, there's always a price to tell you what it's worth is. How much money it takes to get your car washed. That money you pay is to cover that cost.
Math rap.
It costs no money, just time, to learn the concept of cost. Explain cost in your own words. Research. Go online and find out the cost for each of the following items: pair of pants, t-shirt, loaf of bread, magazine, a large pizza. What is the total cost for all items? If you only had $25 to spend, how many of the above items could you buy? If a bike costs $220, what is the cost with a 50% discount? A 25% discount? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!